All right, welcome back. Today we're actually going to be talking about stock footage and why you should be using it in your videos. All right, welcome back to today's video. I'm actually on my lunch break and I figured I might as well stop and talk to you guys about something that I've been utilizing on my videos for a while now, and I think you can actually take advantage of, and that's free stock footage and free stock images. The advantage of using free stock footage and free stock images is that you don't actually have to take the time to go generate this yourself. If you're doing a run and gun video shoot, or if you're actually just, doing a talking head video like this and you need to overlay some footage or some images as B-roll to give examples of what you're talking about, then there's nothing better than getting some free assets to do so. Now, the website that I use is called pexels.com. I'll make sure to put a link in the description for it. No, I am not sponsored. No, they have nothing to do with this video. It's actually a website that I've been using for a while and I enjoy using it, so I wanted to pass on this resource to everybody who's been following me so far in my journey. They have lots of things to choose from. They have lots of images, lots of different videos. All you have to do is go on their website, type in what you're looking for, and see what pops up. Now, remember, this is a free stock footage and stock image website, so you're going to be limited as far as what you're going to find, but for the most part, it does a great job of giving you some assets that you can utilize on your videos. Make sure that you pay attention to who the contributors are. If you do like some of the contributors, you can actually look and filter the searches by this particular person. So if you like their shooting style, if you like their editing style, then you can find more of their work. If you want to actually practice editing, if you want to sharpen up your skills, then stock footage is actually a great way to do so. You download a bunch of those clips and you try to make a sequence out of it or make a story out of it. A lot of the times what I do is to practice sound design. I'll try to get as many little B-roll footage that I can from these websites, and I'll just start putting them together in my editor and actually start playing around with different sound effects and seeing how I can take this flat, plain little video and make it into something more unique and something more original. Stock footage is actually a great way to practice this and just sharpen up your editing skills. The good thing about this website is that they do offer HD footage, so you're gonna be getting crispy, clear footage to overlay on top of whatever you're saying. So if I'm talking about a dog and I didn't have time to shoot some footage of my dog, I could just type in dog on their website. If I need a video clip of some clouds, if I need video clips of the ocean, if I need video clips of architecture or even highways or time-lapse or hyperlapse, they have a bunch of things that we can choose from that's going to enhance our videos and actually make us look like we know what we're doing. This video was not sponsored. I just wanted to pass along this little resource that I've been using for a while. There's a couple other websites that I use as well, but pexels.com is actually the first one I go to, and I'm going to be doing more videos like this anyway, showing you free websites and free resources that's going to enhance your video and editing skills. So until next time, consume less, create more. I gotta go eat.